Hello everybody and welcome to AbeCoin, and today I'll show you how to set up your Exodus wallet in the right way. So let's get right into it. Before you carry on, go down to the bottom, click on the link that I supplied in the description below, and that will bring you straight to this page over here. Okay, when you are here, all that you want to do is you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press download. Bring you straight to the desktop or the mobile app. Luckily, both of them are really easy to install, and today we'll be doing the desktop setup. So you want to jump down all the way here and then click on Windows 64, or whichever you have. If you have Mac or Linux, whatever you have. I'm working on Windows, so I'm just going to click on Windows 64. Start the download immediately. Now, I want to say when this starts, just click on this part over here and it will open up the installation as soon as the download is finished. When it is done, it will actually start installing. If it doesn't start installing, just click on this at the bottom here in your browser and that will start it immediately. It's been installed and you can just open the icon on the desktop. So let me close all of this. So you are actually set up with a wallet at the moment. You can actually send and receive money at the moment. But this is the most important part of the video now. This wallet is open. Anybody can come in here at the moment and take your money. What you should do is you should come to the settings area here. Click on the settings. The settings will bring you to this window where you can enable and disable assets, but don't worry about this at the moment. What you want to do is come straight to the window called backup. Click on that. So over here, they want you to make a password. And the more green you have at the bottom, the safer the password is. And there we go. That password is sort of safe. So let's go to the next one. Now it wants me to do that again. There we go. Let's see. Then I've got that right. Okay, now one of the most important parts is the fact that over here they give you your 12-word recovery phrase. Now this is the key. This is the key that's in your possession. This key, these 12 words in this order puts you in full control of your money on the blockchain. If you have this key, the blockchain can identify you and it knows that the money must come to you and this wallet belongs to you. Also, if you have this 12-word phrase in this order, by the way, you can recreate this wallet anywhere else. Literally, you can recreate this wallet on the blockchain. They basically just give you access to your wallet again. So this is very important. So what I would suggest you do is go to each one of these words, write them down. But more important, I would actually suggest that you print the phrase. Now print it onto a physical paper, or you can print it to a PDF printer. Over here is your printed out version of your 12-word paper backup. So this is the document that I printed just now, and this is the document that holds your 12 words. So like I said, this is a very, very important document, because if you've got these 12 words of any crypto wallet on any blockchain, you can get into that blockchain or into that wallet on the blockchain and you can take all of the money. That's what I'm saying. This is a very important document, and that's also why I'm saying don't keep it on the same device as the wallet is installed. Keep it completely separate. But let's get back to Exodus. So now that you have your backup phrase, you can carry on to the next one. It will ask you which one of these words are in your 12-word recovery phrase. So I'm just going to click on hero. Now you are ready. Now your wallet is safe and you can start using Exodus. So let's have a look around. if you go back, let's go to the home, at the top there, you will find that everything is over here. This is an overview of your portfolio. This is the physical wallet that you just opened now. Over here you can see, yeah, this is the Bitcoin wallet. So here you can send and receive, and at the top you can see more than 100, I think it's like 180 or some ridiculous number of coins that you can hold in this wallet. So, and if you can actually add some more, for the moment we're just going to worry about Bitcoin, but all of them work exactly the same. So now you've got the wallet already. So if you want to receive some Bitcoin, you're just going to literally physically click on receive. It will give you an address of where to send the money to. This you will just copy, just click on copy, then it will say it's copied to clipboard, and you will just go and send that to your friend or to whoever is paying you that money. If you want to send Bitcoin, you just want to click on send. Okay, now over here you can click the address. Let's say it's your friend or whoever, wherever you want to send the address to, you want to get it from them. Copy and paste that address here. Now you can type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, or if you want to send an amount of US dollar, let's say you want to send 2,000 US dollar. At the moment I don't have money in this wallet, but if you've got enough money, it will tell you you can actually go there. And after that you can just click on send. Let me just go out of here. Yes, so after you've typed in the money, you've got enough money, you can just click on send, and it will give you a window that you can just press confirm, and it will let you send the money. Thank you guys for watching. If there are any other issues that you experience, please leave it in the comment below. I'll get back to you and I'll help you figure that out. Other than that, have a look at the next video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one. From 8Bitcoin and everybody here, have a good one.